Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage with another video. And today's video is going to be super fun. It's one I'm very excited about. I've been eager for this to come in. Ever since they announced it, I decided, yep, we are going to buy it. And today, very special, we are going to take the first look and do an unboxing of Kawasaki's all new ZX.SK Boost collaboration with Adidas. As you can see in front of me, this is a pair of shoes that Kawasaki and Adidas work together to collab and celebrate the anniversary of the company, pay homage to an old model, add in some cool features, and of course with the legendary ZX nomenclature of the Ninja motorcycles. And as you can see, it's wrapped up in this plastic. I've been dying to open these. So my first reaction that you're going to see is my true first reaction. My team has kept me at bay, handcuffed, taped away. These have been under lock and key, and I'm so excited to finally open them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what Kawasaki and Adidas have been up to. I have to say, holding this package, it is pretty heavy. For a pair of shoes, I was actually pretty surprised. So I'm wondering if maybe they have some steel or reinforcement on the toe box to help you with shifting. I don't know if that's actually the case. Here we are, get rid of that sleeve. And voila, here we are with a very nice package. I do love the black with the green stripe down the middle and down in the front. We actually do have the front fascia of a ZX-10R, and I think that's a very nice touch. And without waiting any longer, let's open these up. This is a really nice box. I've bought a lot of shoes in my life, well, not too many, but enough shoes in my life. That is a very nice box. And here we are. Wow, these are actually pretty heavy. These are the Kawasaki ZX.SK Boosts paired with Adidas. Let's get this all out of the box. Even the tissue paper. Don't know how well you could see that on camera, but it is a GPZ 900R on the tissue paper. I think that is a very nice touch. They might even be doing this because Top Gun's coming back out, or the new Top Gun is being released, and they wanted to go ahead and do a little something for you serious Kawasaki fanboys out there. And I must say, looking at them, the color treatment will begin to wear off over time with use. That is a warning on the heel of this sneaker. And this Boost material is Adidas' signature. The bottom is nice. It has Kawasaki green, some arrows, nice white Boost material. This is a patent that they have on this material. It's almost like memory foam. It's very, very soft and spongy and absorbent to help you during running, walking, anything like that. And I will tell you right now that if you are a big Kawasaki fan, big enough to rock them on your day-to-day, these are probably the shoes for you. We have some spare green laces in the signature Kawasaki green with some silver lace bands that you can see up front. One says ZX, the other says Adidas Torsion. They have these bungee green eyelets for the shoelaces, and on the tongue, Kawasaki ZX, and on this one, Adidas ZX as well. The inside, we have a nice sole, Kawasaki green, blue on the bottom. This kind of came lifted up, so I'm actually a little surprised by that. But overall, I mean, they're not too bad, I have to admit. I don't know if I'd wear them, you know, going out, but if you got a nice fun day at the track, you're riding your Kawasaki, you want to rep the brand more than just your bike, these might be the shoes for you. They have the Ninja text, signature text on the front, outside of the shoe, and I'm really excited because we're actually going to be testing these shoes out in a few different ways. And stay tuned, at the end of this video, we will be actually doing a giveaway of these shoes and a special gift for all you TST fans out there, and if you're a Ninja fan. These are a size 9, so if you don't wear a size 9, you can still enter the raffle. You just won't be able to wear them, so they'll be a nice talking piece in your living room or in a shoebox. But we will be testing these on 3 different fronts. We will be doing a first ride review, in a sense. We're also going to be doing a top speed review. And lastly, we will be doing a power test to see just how much power these shoes have. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and suit up and catch you guys real soon. Got a nice POV here. Got my shoes. Now let's do this. So here we are, hitting a nice right-hander. Uh-oh, got a little hairpin here. Definitely blew the apex. No big deal. Going up the incline. Sick. It's kind of like Laguna. Uh-oh. Road hazard. Quick run. Quick stop. Nice braking abilities. Now, we're gonna do a power test. All right, so we are here at the dyno. Let's get this thing powered up and do some runs. All right, so here we are. Dyno test number 1. Test complete. Let's see if we can really pull some power out of these bad boys. All right, so here we are. We're gonna do a top speed run, and hopefully I don't hurt myself. We got Ron over there with the radar gun, and let's just see what happens. Let me find a good starting point. Go! Fastest boy, fastest boy!
118. 118.
Let's get a second run in. I really starting to feel the speed now. I feel like Sonic. Got a couple rings in me. All right. I'm running in denim. Creates a lot of friction, making me faster. Cause heat, transfer of energy, you know? Ready, go.
117, 117. Nice.
All right. Let's hit the showers, boys. And as you can see, we are back in the garage and the shoes are in front of me and not on my feet. But nonetheless, I had a ton of fun filming this video. This is something different from what we're normally releasing, but we had just as much fun, and I hope you did too as you joined us as we walked a half a mile in my shoes today. If you are interested in our giveaway, we are going to up the ante a little bit and add in the option to winning a gift card to our website. So if you don't wear a size 9 or you don't want the shoes, you can also win some bucks to use on our website. Buy some parts for your bike instead of your feet. It's a win-win for everyone. So if you're interested in that giveaway, be sure to leave a comment in the comment field below with your shoe size and the motorcycle model you ride. We will be choosing a winner on August 15th. Overall, these shoes are great. I loved wearing them. I had a ton of fun filming this video, and guess what? I didn't stink them up at all. The Adidas Boost technology is actually very comfortable, and being that I've worn shoes before with the Adidas Boost technology, I did have some expectations and these met them completely. Obviously, if you are a Kawasaki fan or a Ninja owner or a Ninja fan, these are probably a win-win in your books, but nonetheless, I hope that more manufacturers continue to go down this road of partnering with other brands and other companies to hit a different demographic from what they're used to. We all know if you're a Ducati fan, you probably have a Ducati mug. And if you're a Yamaha fan, you probably have a Yamaha hat. And now if you're a Kawasaki fan or an owner, you can rock some killer shoes at a pretty decent price and be comfy while you're walking around the pits or just going for a nice walk. So this has been Mark from TST Industries. As always, be sure to leave a comment in the comment field below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to say hello. Be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And as always, stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all username TST Industries. This has been Mark from TST, back in the garage. Catch you guys next time.